I'm Mark.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Paul.
And we're the Pitfire Boys.
And when we're not at Bunnings, we're in a hazel blue smoke cooking up a storm.
And we're going to show you everything you need to start smoking.
Hi, I'm Paul. If you're doing a really big cook-up, the offset smoker is exactly what you need. And I'm about to show you how to use it. So traditionally with an offset smoker, you would use hardwood. Traditionally with the iron bark, but today we're going to use hardwood lump charcoal. We're going to add a full chimney of lit briquettes. We're going to evenly spread that over the unlit hardwood lump charcoal, and that'll give us a really good start of a good fire. You'll find a hot spot close to the offset chamber itself, and then you'll find a cold spot far to the left-hand side of the barrel. Depending on what smoke flavour you want and what chips or chunks you use, you'll want a subtle smoke flavour through to your meat, and that's what the blue smoke does. So there you go. Once you get this thing going, no one's going to miss out on the feed.